Today, I want to share with you the AutoCount Multi-Level Assembly Module. For this multi-level assembly module, you must first purchase the AutoCount Assembly Module. The assembly module is the most basic one, a basic manufacturing module designed for factories. Then this multi-level one is an enhanced version with more complete functions, simplifying many steps into one step. Let me first explain its concept, what kind of concept it is. You see, like a roll is divided into many parts, right? There are wheels, the car body, and the car head. Each part is considered a semi-finished good, a semi-finished product. Eventually, I combine several semi-finished products to become a finished product. However, in the entire process, if our system does not intend to record step by step, this is called multi-level assembly. If you want to record step by step, that is a small assembly. The whole concept is like this. For example, it is a finished good produced from material 1 and some raw materials and some labor. This is called single level. If it is a semi-finished product, it requires material 1, material 2, and some packaging material to manufacture. This is also considered a regular assembly, a single assembly. But if these two steps are combined into one step to complete the tasks of both steps, in this case, we call it multi-level assembly. The reason might be that it's not necessary to have too many people keying into the system. Just thinking of one step can cover all the stock. In this case, yes, you need to use this multi-level assembly. The function is quite similar to the stock assembly module. You can first go and understand it by watching our stock assembly video. And then when setting it up, it's a little bit different. If it's called stock, it can also immediately code the sub-items. It allows you to code immediately. You don't have to code step by step. The stock doesn't need that. With this multi-level assembly, it can save and skip. Without further ado, let me explain how the AutoCount operates. Coming to AutoCount, first you must have this module, Tools Program Control Module setting. You must purchase this multi-level assembly. After purchasing this multi-level assembly, actually, it's generally not much different from the regular assembly, just a little different in the setting. In the setting, there might first be a semi-finished good, which contains material 1, material 2, like this. Then we don't want material 3, we take it out. We just put back the previous sample. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1 like that, roughly like this. And for the costing, if you want to update to the latest cost, just put the latest cost, then save it. This is a semi-finished good. When it comes to the finished product, it requires a semi-finished good to cooperate. You select the semi-finished good. There might be a little bit of labor charge to design the entire formula. The entire formula is designed like this. After setting the BOM, you can come here to check the BOM Material Inquiry. Here you can see it has this multi-level option. If you check multi-level, it will analyze it for you, its components. Actually, you can set it again, set the semi-finished good and analyze a bit more. That's all possible. You can keep going down, keep expanding. That's all possible. Or you can combine two semi-finished goods into one product. Here you can see the whole thing like a tree. Its branches, how they branch out. You can check how much balance there is, which is explained in the stock assembly video. I won't repeat it here. What I actually want to explain is the part assembly where there are differences. Similarly, there is an assembly order and assembly. The difference is just that. You see here, it is the semi-finished goods. If you want to break it down, there is an edit option above that can convert to multi-level. When you convert to multi-level, you see it will analyze it for you. If you don't convert it, it won't help you code. It won't help you code the raw material inside those semi-finished goods. If you convert it to multi-level, it will help you code the raw material inside the semi-finished goods. Let's try it out. Just like this, directly code the semi-finished good. Let's try it. Today is the 15th. Code 3, we won't code multi-level. Let's see what the result is. Once it's done, we go to the stock card, enter 15 on the stock card. After the 15th you inquire, you can see our what product. Here is its assembly. During assembly, it only used two things, and this semi-finished good. This packaging material 1 and semi-finished good is the stock assembly from earlier. This sample used two things, and this labor charge does not have stock control, so it does not appear in the stock card. It only codes these two, which are quantity 2 and quantity 1. The same thing, we copy it, then make it multi-level, and then convert it to multi-level in the edit section. Now, let's check if it will deduct raw material 1 and 2. There is one packaging material here and one here. It will deduct 2. Then you just charge that as a single layer. That's fine. From this sample, we put 16. After that, we look back at that shortcut when it's 16. After inquiring, you preview and check this format. Here you will see the 16th. The assemblies material, packaging material is deducted twice because it appears in the semi-finished good and finished good sections, and then one finished good is produced, then roll back. Use 6 rollback requires 4. Semi-finished good will deduct 2. It doesn't deduct because it's already deducted in the raw material. In the raw material, so this semi-finished good doesn't deduct again. Because it directly deducts from the stock item of the semi-finished good. The whole concept is just that simple. All right, anyway, the system will automatically deduct the finished goods and those stock items. Then it will automatically add the costing. If you do more testing, you'll know the differences. Now we go into this BOM option. It has another function called BOM option. I also explained how to use it once in the source assembly module video. But here, it can choose the BOM option in the main item or the BOM option in its stock item, which is the BOM option in the semi-finished good, all of which can be applied. Wow, it doesn't just apply to the finished good. Let's do some testing to see how the whole concept works roughly. Coming to the system, let's take a look at let's take a look at the finished good. The finished good requires this packaging material, so we create a BOM option. Then on this finished good, it needs to use packaging material 1. If it doesn't have packaging material 1, we replace it with packaging material 2. You set it like this, switch from PM1 to PM2. All right, this is the setting for its mother. If I use it in the child setting, the child setting is semi-finished goods. Let's look at some items used in semi-finished goods. Suppose this one needs 3 raw material, one needs 3. We use something else to replace it. This is the BOM option. In the BOM option, I need to use raw material 3 to replace it. We do it like this. After doing it, it is applied to the semi-finished goods. Here in the semi-finished goods, it is used to replace finished good 1. Finished good 3 is used to replace finished good 1. This finished good deducts 3, and here we use material 3 to replace with 3. That's the whole concept. After setting, we now go to stop assembly and do a sample here. All right, so do a sample. Look here. If I apply BOM, this is for the finished good. If I go child, it is for the semi-finished goods. Let me explain again. If I directly press apply BOM, it is for the finished good. That's it. The finished good has a form of packaging material. So when we apply this packaging material 1, it will convert packaging material 1 to packaging material 2. That's the concept. It will convert down. Then if I apply the child item, I apply that BOM, it will change from 1 to 3, and it deducts 3. I apply it, and it will deduct 3, replacing it in the item of 3. The whole concept of multi-level assembly is basically that simple. I hope this video can help everyone. Thank you.